Finish your spaghetti.
Hugasan mo na nga, Ivy. Sabi ko sa'yo, kahit ano ginagawa niya, ginagaya. Hugasan mo ng kamay.
Oh, here.
Ate Ivy, sungit talaga, no?
Soap.
At saka nga pala, hindi niya ginagawa ng Ivy yan, Auntie Bebe.
Soap.
Hindi niya kilala ng Auntie Ivy yan.
If you want to wash your hands. Ivy, cooking.
Ah, ah, ah.
Okay, go wash your hands. Wipe. Not there! Nagulong mo nga. Yeah, right.
Here. Dito, Kian.
Ow.